If your GoDaddy domain is coming up for renewal or you just want to make sure it stays active, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. I'll show you exactly how to renew your GoDaddy domain, choose the right renewal period, complete checkout, and make sure everything is confirmed properly. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software and web tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy. Once the homepage loads, sign into the account that owns the domain you want to renew. This is important because if you're signed into the wrong account, you may not see the correct domain in your dashboard. After signing in, go to My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps your domains, hosting, and other services all in one place. Scroll down until you find the domain section. From there, click DNS. Depending on your account layout, this may take you to the domain management area where you can see the settings for your domain. Next, click Domain Settings. This is where you'll find options to manage renewals, privacy, and other domain-related controls. Look for the Renew Now button. When you see it, click it to begin the renewal process. This starts the checkout flow for extending your domain registration. Once you click Renew Now, GoDaddy will take you to the next screen. Here, click Continue to Checkout. On the checkout page, you'll be asked to choose your renewal period. You can usually select 1 year, multiple years, or another available duration depending on the domain and current options. Choose the renewal period that works best for you. If you only want to keep the domain active for a short time, a 1-year renewal may be enough. But if this is a domain you plan to keep long-term, renewing for multiple years can save you the trouble of coming back to do it again later. After selecting your renewal period, click Ready for Checkout. Now you'll be moved to the payment section. Choose your payment method from the available options. This may include a saved card, a new credit or debit card, PayPal, or another method depending on your account and region. Make sure the payment method is correct before continuing. Before you finalize anything, take a moment to review the entire order. Check the domain name, the renewal duration, the price, and any additional services that may have been added. This is the best time to make sure everything looks right before you complete the purchase. When you're confident the order is correct, complete the payment. Once the transaction goes through, GoDaddy will process the renewal and your domain should remain active for the new term you selected. After payment, it's always a good idea to double check your order confirmation and make sure the renewal was successful. You can return to My Products and confirm the updated expiration date for your domain. That gives you peace of mind that the renewal was applied properly. And that's it. You've now renewed your GoDaddy domain. It's a simple process once you know where to look, but it can save you from losing a domain you've worked hard to build your brand around. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.